Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing another passion twist tutorial. In this video is a little bit different. I did not use the rubber band method. I wanted to change it up a little bit. I honestly did not know what I was gonna do when I started doing this here, because as you guys know, the girl here is short. So this here was sent to me, and I will put all the information in the description box below. So this is the hair in its natural state right here. So I got maybe 4 or 5 packs of hair. I only used 3.5, okay? I didn't want to twist it, but you guys going to see in the video it's like a lot of hair, and I can't do that because I get hot really quick. So I just twist it after I just put it into the hair. Now this here is a spring twist crochet curly synthetic braiding ombre color bomb twist hair extension. This color is 1B 350. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box for you guys. This is an 8-inch hair if you guys are wondering, and this is 23.50. I think it's very cheap. You get a lot for your money. And if you guys see, this is 1 pack of the hair. Let me just take this one off. This is 1 pack of the hair, and you do get a lot, okay? I really do like this hair. Honestly, it really soft. It's not thick at all, but I did it really small because I wanted my hair to look a little bit more fuller. Space it out a little bit, and then if you want to go back and add in more hair, you could. Because I like the short hair because I do work out and I don't like hair in my face. Like the last one I had, it was like so long, but this here is such a beautiful hair. This company reached out to me to do the video for you guys, so I appreciate it. Please check the description box for this hair link. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.